Are precious metals on the march again this week? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver update. Let's get ready. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. We're back in full swing. A great celebration over Easter weekend, everyone. But we're back. Let's get back to the grindstone. Let's get back silver and gold. Let's get back all of it. So our updates are on the roll, and it's looking like a pretty good morning this morning, everybody. Before we get started, let's talk about our giveaway. We actually have about 3 giveaways going on. We have the one giveaway for a 5-ounce copper round and one of SSC's copper rounds at 9,500, just because I wanted to do that. We're doing a giveaway on every video. If every video gets 40 subscribers, then we'll give a Goldback away until they're gone. So I think we have like 9 of them, and once they're all gone, they're gone, everybody. But we're going to be doing that courtesy of Goldback, everybody. So we got to hit 40 subscribers per video. And remember, you got to leave a comment, because the program doesn't know who you are if you don't comment. They don't know who our subscribers are, everybody. So you'll get a free Goldback. And then at 10,000, you're getting that really bad boy Goldback, number 255 of 2,500, special edition, colorized Washington, D.C. 250th anniversary. That's awesome. Guys, thanks, everybody. We hit 9,000 subscribers. We're 1,000 away. We're 1,000 away, everybody. We can do it. And we're really, really close to hitting 1 million views, everybody. I think we're going to probably do it this week. Just depends on you, everybody. If you watch these things through and the algorithm picks up the comments, it picks up the view time, all that stuff, it'll push them and we'll get the views, everybody. So I think it could happen this week, maybe 1 million views. That's a phenomenal feat for me anyway. So let's get started on silver and gold, see what's going on. When I woke up this morning, I fully, to be honest with you, expected this. I thought that was going to happen. Happy coffee, everybody. I will say this. I don't like Mondays, because that means I got 5 days of work till Saturday. But I thought silver and gold were actually going to be down this morning, and they're down just a little bit from what they were about 30 minutes ago. 30 minutes ago, silver was over $73 an ounce. We're at $72.91 right now on silver, and so the predictions are so difficult to do on such a volatile metal, because once you think it should do this, but it shouldn't do that, and it just does completely the opposite. So gold's at $46.91, everybody. Silver $72.93 now. Platinum's up $1,994, up $14 this morning, and palladium $14.92. It's up $2. Guys, when we did our update on Friday, I think it was Friday, Kitco showed rhodium dropping $8,900. I mean, and you all remember it. I'm like, I was just as shocked as everybody else was. It was an error on Kitco's ticker. It's a big time error price, but it still dropped a lot, everyone. It's at $9,300. It still dropped, roughly $1,000, everyone. So that's a pretty good drop, but a Kitco error on rhodium. I couldn't believe it. I was like, I'm going to buy some. I'm going to buy some. And I just get shot in the foot. So it's at $9,300, still pretty expensive, but way down, everybody. But Happy Coffee, it didn't drop to $8,900, down to $981. So let's move over, everyone, to how about our spot prices in Mumbai and Hong Kong, everyone. Looks like 46.62 on gold in Hong Kong. And let me refresh this, in 72.82 on silver. What is going on? Okay, yeah, perfect. Mumbai 46.60 on gold and 72.46 on silver. Everybody, with the things that are going on in Iran and President Trump's ultimatum, hey, open the straits Monday or else. What is going to happen? So we're going to find out today. That might be massive news for silver and gold and oil and all that stuff. London 47.02 on gold and 73.51 on silver. UK 73.51 on silver. What's our GSR, our gold to silver ratio? Everybody that's new, you're a new stacker. Gold to silver ratio is how many ounces of silver it takes to buy 1 ounce of gold. So I have done that before, and I've done the old switcheroo where I've traded in gold and bought silver, and I'm glad I did that. Hey, me and my buddy kind of have a bet today on silver going up or down. He says it's going to go way down, and well, we'll find out. That's all I can say. So really, they're doing really good. Silver's over 73 an ounce right now. Let's see what happens today when if the Iranians decide, hey, we're gonna continue to push back and fight you. We may have a drop. So let's look at our base metals and our oil prices today. Our base metals, $5.49. Copper's holding it pretty good at $5.49 and still there. And nickel is at $7.61, and I'm going to say aluminum at $1.49. So we're going to look at those base metals. The other ones, to me, zinc and lead, are not. I don't know. If you want me to continue to talk about zinc and lead, let me know. But they just seem kind of boring. Just kind of boring, everybody. So let's go on to our oil price. Right now, our crude oil is at $111.08. It actually has gone up a couple of bucks since yesterday, but not so much this morning. So $111. At least we're not at 120, 130 bucks a barrel, right? So, but it is on the way up. So watch our silver prices today, everybody. If oil really rockets, we could have a pretty good size drop in our silver and gold prices, everyone. So Shanghai spot this morning is $80.32. And India, what is India? India is at $76.12. So that being said, everybody, make sure that when you buy your gold and your silver, you just dollar cost average it, because it's going to go up, it's going to go down. Goldbacks, everybody, we're going to check those out. What are Goldbacks this morning? They're going to be the same. $9.31 for a Goldback, everybody. So that's the exchange rate this morning. It will probably go up this afternoon around, well, I say this afternoon, about 11 o'clock Central Standard Time, my time. The Goldback exchange rate should go up. And as everybody knows, I'm all in on Goldback. I think they're the future currency. So, hey, everybody, let's check out some really cool coins. But before we do, let's go over the spot prices one more time, which I still think, everybody, I still believe that spot price should be one price. The paper price completely controls the market right now, whether it goes up, whether it goes down. Uh, but it can't be for long because, the shortages are there still on silver. The demands are still there in the industrial sector, and people are really buying silver and gold still as a safe haven no matter what. So it can only go on for so long, but I believe there should just be one spot price, and that's just physical. Gold's 46.92 still, and 73.05 on silver. And so, hey, it's all good. The green lights are on, guys. Let's check out some world coins. All right. Well, I just randomly picked out a few coins to show everybody. These are really cool. Even though they're not worth a bunch of money, they're still pretty awesome. And these will be great for the grandchildren someday, and good for some giveaways at some coin shows. This is a 1964 Turkey. I don't know that we've shown any coins from Turkey, but I can't pronounce that. But anyway, really cool coin, everybody. 1964 Turkish coin. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff, man. Great for getting the youngsters in on coins and interest in coins and numismatics is, I think, even these world coins, because they're cheap. So it's a lot of fun. Let's look at Jamaica. I don't think I've pulled out of Jamaica. We might have, but this is a 66 Jamaican coin. Pretty cool coin. Let's get it around where it's that's really an awesome little coin, everybody. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool coin. Wow. Queen Elizabeth. Pretty much all of these little islands over there have the queen on their currency, guys. So they pretty well took control of all of that stuff. But Jamaica coin, really cool. Another cool one for the grandkids. Here's an Israeli coin. We love Israel stuff. Half leva, I think that's pronounced that. Mrs. SSC loves that kind of stuff. And my cat in the background's whining, wanting to go out. But, she's just going to have to wait. But another cool, very, very cool coin, everybody. We do like Israel stuff, so this is, I think, the first one we've shown. So, pretty cool coin. Bahamas, 1969. I think we've shown a couple of these, 25 cents. Pretty cool. Got the little boat in the background, ship in the background, sailboat. That's pretty cool. And once again, Queen Elizabeth. Bahamas, really beautiful coin for the age. Beautiful coin, 69. Beautiful, beautiful coin, everybody. So that's the last of our coins. Everybody, have a fantastic Monday. Don't forget to give away on the bad boy Goldback. We're not giving my silverback away, but we're giving that Goldback away, everybody. And everybody, thank you, Christ. You rose for us yesterday. Let us concentrate on the 80%, that we have, and not the 20% that we want or seek, everybody. So, hey, everyone have a fantastic Monday. SSC, we'll see you tomorrow. I am out.